Alright guys, it's about 4 o'clock, late start here at the sawmill. I've been running my tractor all morning doing some cleanup here at the farm. And I also had to sharpen some blades. But here's my strategy on what's left of this walnut log. We got this terrible crack running right down through the middle, and right here's our pith at the top. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come down about probably, let me see, about 1 inch and just do a flat cut to get rid of the pith, because on the other end the pith is in the same place. So that would get rid of the pith and that'd get one of our problems out of the way. And then I'm going to turn the log up on its side and cut pretty close to this crack right here, and we'll get 2 cants after that. And once we do that, I'll probably just take both of these halves, or quarters rather, and saw 5/4 boards out of them. We'll still get some nice lumber, and I don't have any 5/4 boards right now. I need to saw some anyways and start air drying them. I think that's going to be the best strategy instead of cutting 2 thick mantles, because I just don't know what's going to happen here, and I'm going to try to get the most I can out of this log. So let's get to sawing, and hopefully our luck will be the same as it was yesterday on the first half of this log. I think this is going to be the best strategy to get the most yield out of what we got. Alright guys, almost screwed up on that cut. I didn't take enough off the top of it when I was doing my quartering. I was able to back out of it because I had some stress in here. I don't know if the video picked that up or not, but about 2 foot into that cut, this end of the timber just kind of snapped up. There was a lot of stress in there. So what I'm going to do is, I got it set for 5/4 boards. I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 of them right here. And what's going to be really neat about these boards is they're going to be quarter sawn. I got my grain running 90 degrees here on the end. So these will be really nice quarter sawn walnut boards. And if it goes pretty good, I like the looks of these, I'll probably go ahead and quarter saw what's left here and the other one also. So I didn't even think about that earlier when I was thought about cutting these up. But it started reminding me of oak to the way I was quartering them out. So I might as well quarter saw them if I can. So we'll cut 2 of these and see what happens.
not without a fight.